Oh, hello! Now it's October the 28th today, and we're at the house, and as you can see, a lot of nice progress made. We've done the road, we've put the new wall baskets back, which look pretty good, and the culvert's in. Again, he's pretty good, and we're laying gravel down here just because we're nice and kind people. And you can then go up into the house. They started to do the gardens. The guys are there. Yimbo's up there shouting at somebody. So the lawn's going in. The lawn's gone in here, and then there's going to be plants all in here as well. And Biembo's shouting. Hi Biembo. Okay. Okay, so we've got a look from the second floor. We can see all it's 28th of October. We can see at this house in Bella Vista the gardens are going in, the grass is going in, the driveway started to be done. Started the painting. It's all very nice. Doing the ceilings, sanding down. It's all looking most excellent. As you can see, the closets here, they've all been put up, they're just waiting to be fitted out. Waiting for the doors and windows before we can do anything. This poor lad here, he's he's almost gone blanco. Blanco. Oh dear. See, you know, we look after him on this site. He's got his job doing. Stay in the colour of the little lad. Oh dear. Okay, so we're going to go downstairs and have another look at what's going down there. We'll give you a little spin around, see some of the other houses. So we're going to go down the stairs now. Again, we're going back down. We start at the top and we go back down. Stairwell. Lovely finish on the walls. Stairs are going to all be completed, but save them to last, otherwise they get damaged. And this is one of the bathrooms downstairs. Little benches in them, a little niche for all your shampoo bottles. And we're really only waiting for them to finish most of the painting, and then we've got the doors and windows that we've got to fit, and then we start fitting the interior items. You know, although we're in a gated community, it's never wise to fit things unless we can secure the house off. So as you can see, the rain came in because we've got no windows. The kitchen's all been done. It's looking wonderful. The laundry room's all done, so all the wiring's going in. We're doing this for a smart home as well, so that's all being done. So everything's pretty done. As you can see, there's a heck of a lot of lighting outside as well. All these points here are electrical points. We've got a water irrigation system as well, or water irrigation points. So these are all for lights. And the pool's looking fantastic. And then the rest of the garden down here, you can see we've got the rest of the lights in, and the garden slopes nicely down here. And then it slopes along this way here. Of course, we've put the wall here. It might be an idea to add some steps here, which I'm going to get them to add some steps, because it's just needs a few steps here. But I think that's got to be done. There's the trough. So there's the house. You can see it's a 3-bedroom house. It's a large house. I say 3-bedroom, it's got a separate self-contained unit below the house. It's really got 4 bedrooms. And then this is the area here these guys are working on. And hola. Hola. And then we're going to look down. This is where the room where we're going to be doing the solar system. So we still haven't got this 100% finished. We're going in here. Oh, there's no bats in here yet. But yeah, we've got to do a little bit of work in here. We've got to take out some of this rock and get a floor here. And this is where the solar system is going to go, which is a useful space. Okay, so we're going back up. Watch we don't tread in the hole. And back around the front of the house again.